Nice little scenic view right here. This is the East Branch Pemigewasset River. I believe that's how you say it. But this river runs from the mountains all the way down, very far, down past the ski areas, and then so we've got this really nice little
waterfall right here. You can actually see it rushing down over here in this circle. There's it, and then there's a little patch of water right here. Could you tell them that?
Yep, do you want to tell them what this is?
This is a little waterfall. It's rushing down up there. I don't know where the water is, but and then it rushes down to this big pool.
Nice stream coming down the rocks, and then it goes all the way down there.
Where's the water? Where's the water?
It's underneath all the leaves. But as you can see, this area has got a bit of an issue with erosion, which is pretty intense. Lots of trees down there.
What?
Alright, so it looks like we've hit a snag. Right? We can't cross?
No.
Nope. We don't want to fall in that water. It's a little cold. We're gonna try and find another way.